Welcome back to Modified Monthly. Today we're doing another video on the Audi, and look who we've got! Oliver!
Hey.
Yeah, we're doing an exhaust on the Audi because the stock one has just got a resonator delete and it doesn't sound... It's very high pitched and we need a little bit more deeper tone. So that's the stock one, and then over here we've got the nice new shiny Milltek. Look at that bad boy. So we're going to jack the car up, get the old one off, and basically crack on. So, car jacked up now. You've got a little brace underneath there, which I think, well, he thinks are going to be 12s or 14s. And then you've got this, as I say, this has had a rear res delete, which they've jankily welded into this smaller bit of pipe, so that's going to make it restrictive. Up into the back box back here, just got some hangers. But yeah, let's get the cross brace off, and then those bolts undone for the middle section there a bit, and to get that off. So, we've got the rear box all undone. Comes out as one section. Oh, you can see this valve, this exhaust is valved, but I believe someone has just taken the valve off because it doesn't sound like it's working. But yeah, that's the old section out. You can see where they've done the D-res in there, and they've done it very badly. Whoever done this done it very badly because it looks like shit. So they put a smaller bit of pipe in.
Oh, but still well nice and smooth.
Yeah, but someone's... Right, here's where we're at. We've got the centre section, the D-res, onto the back of the old exhaust system. We've gunked it up with paste. We're going to have to use this old clamp because none of the other clamps work. They are too small, too big. But yeah, let's get this all clamped up and down, and then we can get the back box on. Oh, so after ages of fucking about trying to get it on, they come with two smaller clamps, so we've replaced that clamp with the stock one. As you can see, it's got underneath there, up here. Got a new, underneath the car, got a new hanger on there. The actual exhaust is on and in. It's all clamped up and tightened down. All the brackets are on. Milltek shiny. That's it from the back. Then we've got to tidy up everything, get it off the jack stands, give it for a test run.
It's a lot deeper, yeah. I think it's quieter.